Welcome back, guys. Today's video is about the townhouse I have been designing for my client in Canada. Previously, we have seen two videos where we briefly covered the ground floor and the first floor in detail. Today we are going to take a look at the second floor. The second floor covers all the resting areas of the house. It has a master bedroom with an attached suite and a kid's bedroom, and at the end we will take a look at the grandparents' room. So let's get started. At first, you are welcomed into a passage which connects all the three areas together. The entire palette of this bedroom is done in sophisticated pastel shades to bring about a sense of warmth and intimacy, along with minimal furniture with reflective finishes. This composition as a whole brings about a very clean and classy look to the space. Attached to this master bedroom, we have a master suite. This bedroom has a built-in walk-in closet, which has enough storage for all the hanging, shelving and organizing of clothes, bags, accessories, etc. Needless to say, this is the kids' bedroom. The couple has an active 3-year-old who loves to color, paint and have a good time by himself. He has a lot of toys, so there is enough storage for his toys and a small activity area where he can put his hobbies into work. All ideas that he puts on paper have all the walls to get displayed later. So I ensure that the walls remain empty, so then later he can display his artwork everywhere. I have also set up a small teepee. This is a foldable teepee which can be stored in later, because this child has his own kind of a camp set up in his bedroom. This teepee can be folded and tucked in whenever not required, so then the entire space is open for the child to hang around. Connected to this bedroom, we have the third bedroom, which is going to be used by his grandparents. This room is also being designed with a minimal and clean finished look with reflective surfaces all around. The warmth of different kinds of lights in the bedroom brings about coziness, and at the same time this bedroom has enough storage with a chest of drawers right in front of the bed and a built-in generous wardrobe area. If you guys still haven't checked my Instagram page, please take a look and follow me there. I have left a link in the description box below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming up with a lot of interesting videos ahead. Thank you all of you for being a part of this wonderful townhouse design that I have been doing since a long time. And stay connected. I will see you next time.